Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Ooh, look at it. Good morning, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. You see the title of this video. Yep, I did blow my other funded account. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. So, and going forward, what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to go back to the drawing board. I did not finish, like I stated in my other videos, I did not finish the ICT mentorship for 2022. I think I stopped at like episode 11 or lesson 11 or something like that. So for the rest of this week, I'm just gonna just dig in and dive in and just finish. Most of it is 41 lessons, I believe. So I'm gonna try to, like, every day just try to write as much notes as I can, and I won't even try to jumble it all in within a week, but maybe the next couple of weeks, just try to just really go back to the drawing board and just, go back to learning the rest of it. Because, I know a lot of it is because of over trading, but I just trade 2 sessions. I trade New York and I trade Asian. Sometimes it can be too much. And being at a CPI this week, I traded horribly during CPI. And but Monday I actually found a pretty good setup, which is my last video when I made that 309. It was a pretty good setup on Monday. It was just yesterday, Asian session, it kind of made me mad. Not gonna lie. But let's dig in and see what happened, and I'll go over my setups and everything. Just go over everything, go over my setups, and just go from there. So, this just was a bunch of crap anyway, just from the jump. But it wasn't really that bad. Coming into, right here, 6 p.m. What was it, right, this candle right here? 6 p.m. at the 6 p.m. candle ended up coming in. I marked my my end dog of the day. I marked the end dog, and which is this right here. And then let me just go ahead and go to it, right? Alright, here we go. So this candle was the, was a little gap. So it came out. It went ahead and tapped into it. I already went into it with this next bullish candle right here. Well, I wouldn't even say bullish, but it wicked a little bit from the top. It came in the end dog. I marked this as my sell side. And it took out the sell side. So I'm like, okay, bet. So what I did was, it was a, see, it was a gap right here. So when it broke it, you know what I'm saying, it went back. I'm trying to think where matter of fact. I can go to my journal and it'll show. Okay. And then I ended up losing more than that. So yeah, this was the setup right here, which I was just explaining. I got in at this one. Let me see, is it showing that? I'm trying to remember what. I'm just gonna go based off this screenshot right here, right? So it's gap right here, gap right here. So it ended up coming off of this gap right here, right? All right, boom, was in profit. Next thing you know, as soon as I get in, they do this crap here. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm giving it more time to go up here and tap into this. It's gonna come down, drop down. Absolutely not. It just kept going up, and then, yeah, right here, it kept going up, and then went all the way up. So I was like, okay, well, let me buy. You know what I'm saying? And it's like throughout all of that, I had my this was the first time. This was the first time, I think. Oh no, that's something else. I don't even know why the screenshot is even in there. So yeah, this was the very last time. This one made me basically fail my funded account. I had for it to buy all the way up here. It came down here, wicked out, did all this BS, and then it went up. So that's basically it for my funded account. As you guys can see, it says ineligible rule violation. I mean, it is what it is. I had my stop loss. I mean, my take profit. And I have to favorite them all over again. Like, this is ridiculous, bro. I shouldn't have to keep doing this every time I log in. I mean, like, even though I don't use this, like, laptop, this Mac, it still shouldn't do this, bro. Like, come on. Like, come on, bro. And they always put this crap on this. Always put that crap on it. I may not even use all of this crap. But anyways, yeah. So the only hope now I have is this combine, which I'm down. I think I have like 278 or something like that left on it. But like I said, I'm gonna just start fresh, like just with just overall. I mean, I'm gonna try to revive this account, but pretty sure it might end up getting breached because it's so close to it. But I mean, I was doing good. Like the setups that I was looking for, it just didn't play out. It's like there's nothing I can really do, you know. Like I did what I thought was best and ended up just stopping me out. And then now I feel like it's gonna go up into here and take yesterday's London high. But all it was really was a freaking accumulation, manipulation, and distribution from Asian session. That's all it really was, honestly. Because when I had got in, I was in my position here. This counter right here is what stopped me out. What this is: accumulation, manipulation, which it manipulated like it was gonna come, and then distribution. That's all it was. And all that happened during London session, and I don't trade London session. If I did trade London session, then that would have been a pretty decent setup. You know what I mean? That would have been an easy setup. But I've already done traded New York, and I already traded Asian session. So it's like, there's nothing I can really, do at that moment. But it's like when I was aiming for sales, I was trying to see if it was going to take out this previous daily low. Never did. So yeah, if I traded London, then yeah, it would have definitely been an easy setup because it really manipulated, and consolidated, manipulated like it was going to keep going, keep dropping. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and it's still distributing. Even at the 850 macro right now that's going on, it's what, 930? Well, it's open now. So, I mean, right here, it really just distributed. Probably would have been more of a 30-second opportunity. That's crazy. I have to add all of this, man. This is ridiculous. It probably was a before this. No, it actually wasn't. It didn't tap into a gap or anything. It just spiked up. So there's nothing I can really do at this point. Is just wait for my time frame. Wait for my 10 to 11 silver bullet. I'm about to mark a London high and all of that crap, and London low. Well, London, it already took the London high. This is the London low. So I'm just gonna label this as London low. If it gets there, it gets there. If not, previous daily low still down there. Still hasn't taken that one out. Yesterday's London high is up there, so I want to say that's the range between London low and the previous daily high. Okay, so yesterday's London high and previous daily high is basically combined, basically. Go to the daily time frame. Yeah, it's basically sitting on top of this daily gap. It tapped into it a couple of days ago. Well, this was Friday. Friday it tapped into it. Yesterday it just kind of tapped it softly, and then the 4-hour gap that was from yesterday, which was here, it just dug right into that 4-hour gap, and there's a 4-hour here, but it has to go through this daily before I go to the 4-hour. So yeah, there is a 4-hour up there. I just don't want to have my charts all mumble jumbled, fumbled up. I say no, it's not a volume imbalance there. No, it's not. Okay, but there is a 4-hour gap up there, so I guess I can mark this. Tap into this right here. Got London low down here. Can't even say this right here is the low of the day, but it's a low, so I'm gonna mark it. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. I'm just gonna go back to the drawing board, but I'm not discouraged. I'm a little bummed out because I just had 2 fundeds. I passed one in a couple of days. I passed both of them in a week. Passed one in a couple of days. I'm not sure how long it took for me to pass the other one. So it's part. I do know that it's part of the journey. It's a lot of things that I'm obviously doing wrong. I just need to correct some things because it's not a problem of me passing the account. It's just the fact of maintaining it, and that's what I need to work on, like maintaining the account. And it's just there's nothing I can really do. There's nothing I can really do. This right here is midnight open. You can see it clear as day. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Like, clear as freaking day, bro. Let me see. Did it happen last time? You see, yesterday, it broke it. I guess you can say accumulation, manipulation, and distribution on its way down. I guess you could say this is what it was, but you could have caught that though, that buy. So, guess this is the range here. This is the range right here. It's in the premium right now. So, yep, it's in the premium right now. So, I'm looking for a good old break of this buy side liquidity and then a market structure shift on its way down. But this is London low, previous daily low down here. There's a lot of liquidity up here. Still have this 15-minute gap up here. So I'm gonna be aware of that. So just looking for it to take out this buy side liquidity first and see and go from there and see if it's wanting to go ahead and tag into this 4-hour fair value gap here. It's about to be in the middle of the fair value gap right now, so we'll see what happens. It's about to break this buy side real quick. But yeah, it's like I bummed out, but it's like, it's the thing, it's like I know I can do it again. I know I can do it again. That's the crazy part. Like, I know I can do it again. It's just the fact of maintaining it. Like, that's my struggle right now, being able to maintain it. And I'm trying to figure out, am I risking too much? But I think it's over trading. Maybe I just need to trade one session, because I'll make money in London. I mean, in New York, in the Asian session I'll lose, and then I don't trade London. But I mean, I think, in my opinion, I think it's balancing me out. You know what I'm saying? I think it's balancing me out when it comes down to trading both sessions like that, But it's not like it's back to back. Like, I can understand if I trade like New York afternoon and then turn around and trade it, Asian session, then yeah, that'll be a lot. But I'm skipping a session, but I don't know. But I do know I need to study more. That's what I need to do. It's about to take out this buy side liquidity right here. So I can see it. Alright, it's officially taken. So you'll see what the market gonna do. See if I can revive this account. I need to go ahead and have how much I want to risk. It need to be one contract, to be honest. One contract, risk 100 to make 200. Let me be a nosy. Oh man. But the end of this month, I'm gonna purchase the my funded futures 165 50K account, this right here. No daily loss limit, 4,000. No activation fee. That's huge for me. All right, so let's see. Okay, it's tapping into that gap, but it's like if I were to put a position here, like where, like how the heck? That don't even look logical at all. That's just crazy, bro. It's like when I put yesterday's my TP, it looked like it was far-fetched, but look how close it is now. From way down here, way over here. Like it's would have been some good profit right now, man. Would have been some really good profit. Alright, so is it going to invert it? Now as far as sales, this wouldn't be a bad setup. Stop loss can be right here. What is this? Oh, forgot I had put that right there. Like, what the heck? In the macro time now, so now question is, and I went through this gap right here. You're basically waiting for it to, it's a market structure shift, waiting for it to tap into this right here, right? So it's like I would want to put in a sell limit right here, but I got to wait I got to wait for price to kind of show its hand, to kind of come back up. Need to close below, blase blah. It's a market structure shift now. They took out the buy side. This is it's looking like a classic setup. But I'm not just gonna place, a position here. You feel me? I'm not about to just place no position here and then hope for it to just tap it and drop. Nah, it can go straight into it. I need to see something. I would just do one contract. I'd rather get in on a sell stop if it decides to come down, like right here. So that way I'm not losing no money, just hopping in on a sale. I wait for it to come down. Yep. Glad I didn't get in, but that happens though. That happened to me like many times. Just hopping in just off of that right there, especially the day before CPI. But it's like it's not looking bad though, to be honest. It's still closed inside of it, which is very important. Still closed inside of it. So we'll see how this candle closes. This candle closes above, then yeah, it's really looking to trade higher for sure. Okay, so it closed inside, so that's good. I don't like the way it's moving though. It's seek and destroy vibes. Cause it's like an elementary setup. It's like a real elementary setup, bro. For real. But it's like the TICKS is 32. So even if it does hit the stop loss, I won't be risking a full 200. I'll only be risking probably like 130. It's 50 ticks would be the 200. Yeah, I don't know. You just inverted this. Could still come down here and tap into this and invert it. No. It's supposed to be one contract. Hold on. It's supposed to be one. Dang it. But I don't want to miss it.
Order filled.
Oh, we're here now.
Order filled.
Okay. Thank you guys so much. Those who are subscribing, those who are watching and tuning in every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much. God bless you. It sucks. Low, because it was day before NFP. I don't know what OPEC is, so I'm just going. It actually ended up being a 1 to 3. I'm gonna round it up to 1 to 4. Man, I'm hurt, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm hurt, man. High taking. February gap, silver bullet. I mean, kind of like a combination. A high was taking, market structure shift. Silver bullet. That's what I meant to add on. I think I added it to something else. All that result the yes motion after spirit. I don't even want to say proud of myself because I lost my funded today. So, but I'm gonna sit in it for a minute, get my mind off of it, do something else, and yeah, it's glad I got something today. At least I got my combine in better standings. I think I have like less than 800. $750 until I get it back over 50K, and then but I'm not gonna trade Asian session. I gotta get that in my brain. I'm not gonna trade Asian session. I'm gonna go ahead and lock myself out now. I'm not gonna trade Asian session. Well, shoot, I need to lock myself out after the new day. I need to go ahead and lock myself out until midnight, because I ain't trading on London session. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry, I didn't know my hair was doing all that. But yeah, this is, like I said, this is me. This being really transparent, and you know, this is what happens, man. Like, I lost another funded account. It's like I'm sour. I'm sour, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sour right now. But it is what it is. I'm $750 away from getting this account back in good standings. So I'm gonna buy another one. And I think this may be like my last two that I'm gonna buy on TOPSTEP for a minute. At the end of this month, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase probably like the 22nd, the week of Christmas. I'm gonna go ahead and buy my funded features expert, the 50K. The target is 4,000. I have a no daily loss limit. Let's see, no daily loss limit. What else? Yeah, no daily loss limit. No consistency rule. The only thing, that's what I'm saying, is it's always something that kind of is like, which is the payout every 14 days. Get extra max daily drawdown. The extra max drawdown on 50. Okay, so I get more. No minimum evaluation days. You can get simulated funding in the same day. That's pretty cool. So you can make $4,000 and then be automatically in a simulated funded. So that's a good thing. I just that payout every 14 days. But the only thing I can say about that is really just really locking in and not trying to take like small profits. Like, as far as like just taking $1,000 profit. Like, I'm not about to wait 14 days for $1,000 profit. Like, I want it to be more than that, you know, 5,000, 10,000 or something like that, or 6,000, 7,000, you know, like a bigger payout. So it won't really be no rush, just taking my time, you know. Then I'll have to wait those 14 days, and that's the only thing I don't like about it. Because I said yesterday, it's just like having a TOPSTEP account without the activation fee. But no, TOPSTEP at least give you 5 days. After you just get 5 days of 200 or more, then you can get a payout every 5 days. This is 14. This is like way more than, that's double, and then 4 more days. So yeah, yeah, man, that's the only thing I don't like about that, man. That's the only thing I don't like about that. But everything else is like perfect. Trailing max, and they get extra drawdown for the day. I think that's, no, it's not end of day. It says extra max drawdown on 50K account size. So whatever that is, yeah, whatever that is, it's not, because it's 2,500, so it got to be a little bit more. I don't know, but I mean 2,000 is still fine. I'm used to the 2,000 anyway, so yeah, so I'm definitely gonna get that like the week before Christmas, which will be fine, because I'm not really gonna be, I'll be trading that Monday and Tuesday, but probably not Tuesday, because you know they have the hours. So maybe just that Monday, and then like that Thursday or Friday, Thursday after Christmas, and then that Friday of that week. So this week, the rest of this month should be way better, because NFP is out the way, CPI is out the way, so we basically have 1.5 weeks left in this month, and then going on to the new year, man. It's about to be a whole nother quarter. You know, hopefully price will move better. Donald Trump will be officially president, so that should, you know, have a lot of volume, you know, on the market. Should be able to make some good money. Should be able to, you know, really capitalize off of it. So yeah, just really to be able to capitalize off of that. That's what I look forward to in 2025. Thank you guys so much, for watching. I'm coming up with some ideas for vlogging. I really don't do much, so it's kind of like I really don't like. I just go to the store, or I'll have practice or something. Maybe I'll do that because I'm a musician as well. So maybe I can do that, vlog that, and yeah, But that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Once again, thank you guys so much. I'm up to like 101 or 102 subscribers, and that's a lot for me. So I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and liking, and even to the people that comment. And if you comment, say where you from, where you watching the video from. You from America, or you from whatever state, or you from out of the country of the United States. I want to see where you guys are from, and any other things you would like for me to do or whatever, or but like I said, this channel is basically for like educational purposes. I'm a regular person, just a trader that's just trying to be successful, and just showing my journey, and just showing with God anything is possible. And yeah, you guys be able to see me, just building my way up, and just trying to become a better trader. Just a better trader, to be able to be consistent, to be able to be more profitable. You guys will be able to see me from the bottom up. So this is definitely been my breakout year for sure. From learning ICT concepts from January to May, starting on Top Step in May, and being able to get payout in September, and just finishing this year out, like I'm really proud of myself. My goal for this year was to make 10K on a funded payout. So I was able to do half of that. So at least I was able to do half of that. And then of course my other goal was to be more spiritually equipped, reading the word more, praying more, just spending more time with God. And what else? It was a new truck, braces, and learn more of my keys, because I play piano, learn more keys. So I think the only thing I was able to do is the more spiritually equipped and get funded. At least did half of that. So hey, at least I marked something off of my goals. And if you're not, write down your goals for 2025. They don't necessarily have to be, this year it's a new me, nah. Just put down your goals, what you want to accomplish for the year. Try to smash those goals. And yeah, just be, if you're in trading, just try to be a better trader. That's what I aim to be. Just for inspiration, basically. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.